A note is primarily used in create mode to label and keep track of your most complicated creations. But now, you can use it to add lots of eye-popping text in your levels. Grab one from the Gadgets page of your Tools bag and let's see how it works. Open the Notes Tweak menu with the Menu button. Let's start by using the Note Tweak to write a message for your note to store. As you can see, the text pops up right away. You can show or hide the text with the Show tweak. Or you can select it with a pop-it cursor and press the Grab button. We can also change the font type and the font size as well. Select the font type tweak and cycle through the different types with the left stick until you find one you like. Next, select the text size tweak and use the left stick to change the size of the font. You can make it as small or as big as you want it to be. You can also change the text color and background color of your note. Just like other color changeable objects, select the color you want your font and background to be by selecting a color in the color palette. You can also change the brightness of the color as well, using the text brightness and background brightness options. You can also change the opacity of the background if you want your font to pop out even more or have no background at all. In the visual setting, you can set the note to have no visibility in play mode, text only, or have the note and text be visible. If the local space setting is set to no, your text will always be upright regardless of the note's orientation. If it's set to yes, the text will be aligned with the note's orientation like so. With input action, you can set what happens with a note when you place an output into its input. Using open simply brings up the text you have inputted when it receives a 100% signal, and closes when it does not. When using signal strength, you can visibly see the signal strength of any output you connect to the note. Make sure you change the number format options below to see the measurements properly. Tweaking max value changes the total value that is represented at 100% signal strength. Tweaking decimals changes how many decimals are shown in your value. Finally, you can also add a suffix to your text if you wanted to add an identifier to your signal strength value, such as weight, speed, or even the total number of cupcakes.